Hey folks, this is Steven from Volkswagen of Olympia. Today I'm going to go over the overhead view park system. You're going to start by engaging this button right here. It's going to bring up a four-way camera, that way you can see all around the vehicle. You can actually break it down into different options on each one. So if we click on the back right here, you're going to be able to see, obviously it's your standard backup camera. If we turn right, you can see that we're going right. Turn left, you can see that. This one right here is going to be our park assist with distance control. It's going to give you directions on how to parallel park, kind of help you a little bit. For those of you who plan on towing with this vehicle, this is kind of a nifty way of seeing where your tow hitch is. It can be difficult at times, so this is going to help you out in a huge way. We click on this one, and this is going to be kind of a wide-angled option right here. So what that's going to do is that's going to let you know if there's a car coming from the side. It makes it a little bit easier, and it pairs up with your rear assist in the car. If we click on the car right here, it's going to bring us back to our standard menu. Now this is really nice because it's going to give you the option to seeing what's around you as you're parking, backing out, so on and so forth. If we want to see on that side, we actually have the option to see if we're close to another car. We're not right now. We can use that side, or we can also use both of them. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials.